guys, it is the Cassette Girl, and I'm gonna be my name's Talia, and I'm gonna be doing foundation. So get this with this, and then we open it, then we put, okay, then I put just a little bit there. Okay, now I'm gonna tap it on my face. There's a big mirror up here called blush brush. That rhymes, blush brush. Now I need to shiny all around. So I'm gonna be using it. It looks super pretty. But I don't want this. Okay, now I'm gonna be using another brush for my eyeshadow. It's fine, I'll just use the brush that I was gonna use. Let me first find it. Little gems, 2 of them. 1, 2, and little sparkles on the purple. So I'd rather use this instead. Okay, so now I'm gonna be putting it on. You see? Okay, there. Now I'm gonna be putting it in the eye. I think I should do this lipstick because it matches my eyeshadow. Yeah, I should do this lipstick. There. I like closing it. I don't like opening because look. Look, it was super hard that someone put it super hard. You just it's like okay, now I'm gonna put it. Whoa. They're pretty. Soft. Hello. Now I'm gonna be using for a more blush. I'm gonna be using this one. I'm gonna be using both of those down and down. So first I'm gonna put that one on the side. I know what I'm doing. Very, very pretty. That's how you actually do it. And then put blush. I'm gonna put highlighter now. Okay, now. Okay, now I'm gonna put glitter on my eyes. Okay. Holy moly! Look at it. Oh my god. You should be here. I wish you should be here. So you can see all of it. It's super pretty. Where's that glittering bit? gonna use this brush. It has glitters around it. It looks so... Okay, now I'm gonna be doing it. Purple matches red a little bit, so I'm gonna be putting a dip. Okay, so now I'm gonna put on purple glitter that is kind of pretty, that I kind of love it right there. So now I'm gonna be doing, you see kind of glitter. You cannot see, if you cannot see, it's okay. Thank you for watching. If you want me to do makeup videos, let me know so I can do more makeup videos, because I really love this video. So subscribe right now. Subscribe.